So the Tecno Phantom X Pro is going to be an amazing device. My name is Tayo. I make tech content like this, so subscribe if you're interested in tech videos like this, and let's jump right into this video. Now let's talk display. The Tecno Phantom X Pro is going to be a curved display, and it will be made up of Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Now I am not a fan of curved displays because it gets easily damaged, and there's not really a good case for curved display in the market yet. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below, team curved display or team flat display. The Tecno Phantom X Pro will come right out of the box with Android 11 and iOS 7.6, and you should expect software updates since Tecno is now releasing software updates to their lower end devices like their Spark series, which is really good. I know it's shocking, right? Like Tecno giving out software updates, that's just mind blowing. And yeah, so you should get software updates on this device, which is nice. Now let's talk performance. The Tecno Phantom X Pro should come with a MediaTek Helio G95 processor, which is a gaming centric processor, and you should get good and smooth gameplay on this device. And it is also coupled with a Mali G76 graphics processor, which is also nice. And all those are backed up with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, which can be expanded to 512 gigs of storage using a memory card, which is nice. Like, I really like that. As for cameras, the Tecno Phantom X Pro will be rocking a quad camera setup consisting of a 50 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and two 2 megapixels unspecified camera. I am guessing a depth camera and a macro camera, which aren't really needed, but hey, you did get the option. And you'll be getting 1080p video at 30 frames per second, which I just find to be weird. 50 megapixel camera shouldn't give you 1080p footage at 30 frames per second. I'm guessing maybe 4K or maybe 2K. That's what you should get from a 50 megapixel camera. So I hope this isn't the final spec. Like, I hope we can get 4K images or 4K videos from that camera. 1080p is not good. And you'll be getting a 48 megapixel main selfie shooter and an 8 megapixel ultra wide selfie shooter, which can also shoot videos at 1080p 30 frames per second, which is also weird. 4K is where it's at now. The Tecno Phantom X Pro will come with a 4500 mAh battery that is capable of 33 watts fast charging, and you do get micro USB on this device, which I really hate, and I'm so disappointed at Tecno for this. I hope we get micro USB. What's wrong with it? I hope we get USB Type C, but hey, if we get micro USB, that would be so bad. And 4000 mAh is kind of small in 2021. I mean, in today's standards, 5000 mAh battery is where it's at now, and yeah, 4000 mAh is just small, especially in Nigeria where you won't get light. So yeah, 5000 mAh, please. As for security, you'll be getting Face ID and an under display optical fingerprint sensor, which is nice, and I really like it. Although I'm a big fan of the side mounted fingerprint sensor, but hey, under display fingerprint sensor anytime. Here are some features I want to see on this device. Some form of water resistance, maybe IP55, IP56, or any form of water resistance. 120Hz refresh rate, or maybe 90Hz refresh rate. USB Type C, and headphone jack, even though I know yes, we'll be getting an headphone jack. And yeah, I can't wait for this device to be available, to see how Nigerians and other people who will be getting this device, I can't wait to see how they will react to it. And let me know in the comment section below what feature you would like this device to have. And yeah, if you like this video, click on that like button, and if you love this video, click on that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, I apologize for not uploading last week. I'm having exams, so yeah, I'm through now, and you should be getting a video the day after this video gets uploaded, but hey, we'll see. Anyways, once again, thanks for watching, and peace.